Welcome. In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 35 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, let's open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app you should see the home page. Now tap on More. Scroll down, find the Garmin devices and tap on it. And here you should see your Forerunner 35. Select it. And on this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner. Tap on Remove Device. Tap on Remove. If you see this pop up about the settings, you can tap on it. It will redirect you to the Bluetooth settings. And here you should see the Forerunner 35. Tap on it. Tap on Unpair. And it will disappear. And then we can close the settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.